I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to link a Nintendo Switch console to the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Doing this gives you the ability to easily control your child's screen time, set content restrictions, and more. Step 1. Navigate to your Nintendo Switch home screen and then click System Settings in the menu on this screen. The System Settings screen opens. Step 2. Click Parental Controls on this menu. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Click Parental Control Settings. A message appears letting you know that you need to download the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app from either Apple's App Store or Google Play on your mobile device if you haven't downloaded it already. Step 4. Click to indicate that you have the app installed when you have it installed. The next screen tells you to launch the Nintendo Switch app and follow the on-screen instructions, where eventually you'll get a 6-digit code that you can enter on this console. Now let's take a look at what you'll see when you open the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app. Step 5. After launching the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app, you'll see a screen where you can choose whether or not you send data from your Nintendo account to Nintendo. Tap OK after making your selection. Step 6. The next screen prompts you to sign in to your Nintendo account. Click Sign In or Create Account. Click Continue in the pop-up asking if you want to allow the app to use Nintendo.com to sign in. The next screen will prompt you to either choose an existing Nintendo account or create a new Nintendo account. In this example, I'll choose my existing Nintendo account. The next screen lets you know that you'll need to have the Nintendo Switch console that you want to register to this app close to you to move forward. Step 7. Tap Next. A 6-digit code is displayed on the screen. Step 8. Now, pick up your Nintendo Switch console and pick up the last screen where you left off. Click Enter Registration Code. The next screen prompts you to enter the 6-digit registration code. Step 9. Enter the 6-digit code from the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app and then tap OK. The next screen asks if you want to register this Nintendo Switch console to this Nintendo account. Click Register. The next screen lets you know that you've successfully registered this Nintendo Switch console to the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app. Step 10. Click Continue Setup on Smart Device. Now, when you navigate to the parental controls part of the settings on this specific Switch, you'll see the parent or guardian account this Switch is registered to. Now let's take a look at what you'll see on the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app. Step 11. A message will also be displayed in the Nintendo Switch app letting you know that you've successfully registered this Nintendo Switch in the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app. From here, you can tap Set Parental Controls. Now, you can use the app to set a daily time limit for your child on their Nintendo Switch, set content restriction levels, and more. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.